out the bed and I'm counting them faces. I jump out the whip and them bitches start fainting. No 20s or 50s, just Benjamin Franklin. Block on lock, I'm in Kurt Angle. I keep the bag on my brother, my partner. Don't fuck with no strangers, they tryna get famous. I put the hood on my back when these niggas couldn't do nothing but love it, but niggas still hate it. No, they ain't real, but these niggas gon' fake it. If they got a problem, my niggas come straight. Niggas debating, they hating, they plotting, they waiting, they want my eye, tell them come take it. Happy for tell me that I couldn't make it, now I'm doing shows out of state and the nation. My mama told me I gotta stay humble, but don't be too ready, you gotta have patience.
Dropping them bangles, bangles, bangles. Double cup stuff on Texas Ranger. One in the chamber. I shoot 100 rock cool like Will Chamberlain. Go to the top and I'm gon' bring the gang in. Bitch, do anything to get famous. My wrist, cost me a brick in this fridge. I'm rich, but I did not let it change. Statistics say that you niggas ain't gangsta.
You niggas in trouble. You niggas in trouble.
Now for real, no cap, my money long like anaconda.
You niggas in trouble. You niggas in trouble.